Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐤𝐸𝐵𝐞.com in Japan. I just wanted to show a quick video of this little Suzuki Carry. This is one that we just got here. I'm bringing it to the port now. You can see I'm at the port yard. This is a 2006, but it's very clean. You can see in here the engine and all the bolts, all the steel. Everything's really super clean on this. It's done 27,000 kilometers. This is just an example of what you can get from Japan. You can see the steering wheel's in excellent nick, it's not worn. There's the gear stick. You can see the clock there. I'll get it in the right place. There we are, 27,000 Ks. Not very much at all, about 15,000 miles. You can see the tray is excellent. It's got this cover on it, and it's not marked at all, hardly. Just a bit of marking from the cover, that's all. Very clean. Underneath, it's like that too. Even in here, the tools are still shiny. You can see the engines, some dust, that's all. In the chassis well, it's really tidy there. Shiny exhaust. I'll show you under here. That's a 13-year-old car. Doesn't really look like it, does it? Anyway, that's my input for today. This is Sam from 𝐤𝐸𝐵𝐞.com. If you're interested in buying one of these trucks yourself or becoming a distributor in the US for us, have a look on our website, 𝐤𝐸𝐵𝐞.com. There's plenty of information on there, and I hope you'll find something good to interest you there. Should just say as well, it's 36 degrees today. The aircon's working lovely on this truck, so that's something else which is very useful about these Japanese trucks. Enclosed cab, cold aircon, fantastic. Thanks again for watching, and please do have a look at the website 𝐤𝐸𝐵𝐞.com.